Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. All right. So, as usual, this is the session where we'll be analyzing the market and placing trades together. All right. So, all right. So, here I have XAUUSD. This is the gold pair, gold against United States dollars. All right. And I'm currently looking out for an opportunity to buy here. I already bought a few moments ago. Okay, took to TP around this area, but I think the market is going to go up from this area again. So guys, go and get your accounts ready. Okay. Immediately I get a confirmation here, we are going to place a buy trade. So if you haven't funded your account, go and fund your account. If you are running on low balance, go and make a top up. All right. And remember, if you fund up to $10, you get the opportunity to join our premium group for 2 weeks. That's 14 days. If you fund up to $15, you get the opportunity to join our premium group for 30 days. That's 1 whole month. All right. And if you fund up to $200, guys, you get even better benefit. Aside joining the premium group for 30 days, you also have the opportunity to have a one-on-one session with me. Okay. Yes. Go and fund up to $200. Let me teach you how to analyze. Let me teach you how to scalp the forex market. Go and fund the account, guys. All right. And technically everything is free. So the money you are funding will be in your account, and you still be trading with it. Okay. So the money you are funding, I will still be providing signals that you're going to be using to grow the money. Okay. So guys, go and fund the account. Go and fund the account. Let's do this together. Right. So I'm still waiting on confirmation here. Still waiting for the market to come to this area. Let me see if we are going to get a rejection. All right. But guys, mind you, gold is very volatile. All right. So if we are going to be placing order here, we want to make sure that the order we are placing, we are applying risk management. Okay, it's very, very, very important. Risk management is very important in gold market, on gold market rather. Okay, so please do not place a trade that is going to take all of your money. Right? So only use the smallest lot size. Even though you are the type that loves to increase lot size, please, I'm begging you, use small lot size if we take this trade. It's gold. Okay? Gold no be anybody made. I hope you understand. So if you have a small capital, gold can send you back to I don't want to say being broke, okay? Because I know you are using a money that you know we all know forex is risky. So I don't think I need to say much. All right. But if you want to trade gold, please apply risk management. Okay, apply risk management. So you can just open one position with 0.1. Okay. So when the market is going the other way around, I'll just tell everybody to close. Let's look for another opportunity. Simple as that. Okay. So let's wait. Let's wait and see what gold has in stock for us. Let's just wait and see what the gold market has got for us. Okay. So even though this is going to continue to the downside, I think it's going to make a move from here to this area where we have this before the market continue to go down. So let's just give this a little more time. Let's see, how it's going to react to that area where I have specified. Okay. Though it moved from the area previously, as you can see from here, you see. So I took an entry from here. The market gave me all this move, and I took TP around this area. Okay, I think I took TP this first area. Okay, because I thought the market was going to go down from here. Okay, so I took TP here, and right now I'm waiting for another entry on the same zone. Okay, so let me see if it's going to respect it for the second time. So if this doesn't close below this low, then we take a buy. Okay, but if it goes below this, then that means the setup is invalid. We're just going to look out for another setup, all right? And we're just going to be trading pairs that are not so volatile after, all right? But we haven't been trading gold uh, since after the news event last week. So I want to see if we can get an entry because it seems gold is coming down these days, though it's still taking people's money. Okay, but if you are careful, just that in forex you can't be too careful. Yeah, but you just got to apply risk management. Okay, that is how you make good reward. So if you apply risk management, your losses become lesser and your winnings become much more. Okay, you get much more winnings. So that way you can accumulate profits. Okay, accumulate profit, accumulate dollars. So imagine you start with $15 right now, and by the end of the week, a whole week, Monday to Friday, you made um $50. Okay, so let's say out of the $50 overall trade, you lose about maybe 15. Okay, so 50 minus 15, you are still going to be left with $35. So guys, to me that is a great win. Okay, using $10 and getting more than 100% of using $15 and getting more than 100% of your $15. So that's a good win for me. All right. And that is if you are applying risk management, that is how it's going to be. Yes. So this is not giving us an entry as soon as we expect. I think we should go look out for another, signal, another pair. Let's analyze another market, then we can come back to this later. Okay. I don't want us to waste too much time on this because I want us to get as many entries as possible. Okay. So let's check on USDJPY. Let's go to USDJPY. Let's see what USDJPY is doing currently. All right. All right. So let's go to 15 minutes. Let's go see what this is doing on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so the market is currently buying. Okay, market is currently moving to the upside. Got a break here. So guys, if you want to understand what I'm doing here, go and fund the account. Okay, go and fund the account. Let me teach you this strategy. This is a scalping strategy, and it's gonna make trading very much more easier for you. Yes. So go and fund your account. All right. So we have this move here, and since this market is heading to the upside, this will just continue to go up, way up. I mean, okay. Um, let's go back. Let's check XAUUSD. Okay, wow. So our timing was very good. So let's see if we are going to get a proper rejection here. Once we get a proper rejection, we take a buy trade. Let's wait on that. We are still waiting. Let's see how this goes. So a few more seconds, and the market is already rejecting. Okay, it's already rejecting there. Few more seconds, guys. Guys, you see how I'm able to get this kind of entries, perfect entries. So let's wait for the second candle to make a retracement. Okay, let's wait for this second candle to make a retracement. So it's making a retracement right now. Okay. Okay, guys, let's buy gold. Gold, buy right now. So I'm sure you already bought. The market is already moving. So I'm gonna call out. I'm gonna tell you when to exit the market, right? So let's just hold on. So we are currently on gold and we are buying. let's give this little bit of time. If it closes below, we are not going to stay long. If this closes below, then we are just going to close this trade. Okay, if it closes below with a body, okay, below this area, so we are just going to go out of the market, because right now we have a rejection, and there's no point. I mean, the market has no reason to come down and close below this body, close below this area with a body. But if it does close with a body, then we go out of the market. So let's just stay on that, see how it goes. All right. And as I've said earlier, remember, risk management is very important. Okay. In every trading, risk management is utmost of importance, um, because in order to secure your trade, you need to apply risk management. That is the only way you get to trade without fear. Okay. Um, if you have $100 account, I don't think you should be risking more than $5 or $10 in a trade. Okay. So as I've said, if it closes below, we are just going to close so that we don't lose much. All right. Remember, uh, gold is very volatile. So if it goes below with the body, we close the trade in the little loss. Okay. But hopefully it goes up. The market has already reversed from there earlier. And I told you when I took TP, right? I showed you guys. Okay. So this is good. We are making profit already. Let's give it some more time. So if you enter immediately when I said buy, you should be in profit by now. Okay. But we are still holding because we haven't gotten, a good profit yet. So let's make better profit before we close the trade. We are still holding. Guys, come and join my premium group. I can teach you how to scalp the market this way. Okay, I can teach you how to scalp the market this way. All you have to do is fund your account with at least $200. Okay, so that way you get a one-on-one, uh, private session with me. All right. So we are currently making profit, guys. So when this gets to this area, we are going to close and wait for another entry. All right. So come and join my premium group. Let me show you how you can make money from the market the easy way. Let me teach you the easy way. So we are still waiting for the market to get to this level. Once we get to this level, we have a minor area here where I think the market might reverse from. So once the market gets here, we are going to go out of the market. But if it comes below this area, closes here, then we close with the small loss. Right? This is our first signal for the day, and hopefully we make a good profit from it. Okay, so this is moving. Guys, prepare. Once it gets to that area where I have specified, we are going out of the market. Guys, we are still holding. Okay. I don't want us to take our eyes off it because we are scalping. All right. So when you are scalping, you want to stay. If you don't have a stop loss or a take profit, it is very good to keep your eyes on the trade that you've took. All right. Because when you take your eyes off it, you might forget, and then the market will just run into loss. Then maybe you didn't close it. You didn't close the trade on time, or maybe the trade went into profit. You didn't close the trade on time, and then it came back into making a loss. So that is why it's very important. When you take a trade, don't go away from it. Stay on it. Once you make your profit, you close your profit, and then you look for another trade. Okay. So let's just stay here. Let's see what this next candle is gonna do. We are still holding, guys. So it's juggling between profit and loss. Okay, making profit, then going into loss again. So let's see um, what is gonna happen in the next few minutes. All right. But we don't want this to come to this area. We don't want it. We don't want it to close with a body here. Okay. So if we get a close with a body here, we are going to go out of the market. All right. But when it gets to this area, with a wick or with a body, we close the trade and go out of the market. Okay. Okay. So this is the 1 minute time frame, and what we don't want to happen is we don't want this trade to close below here. Okay, we don't want it to come to this area, this area. So if it comes to this area with a body, then we go out of the trade. But if it comes to this area, we take profit. So by here, we made good profit. All right. And we just close our entry. But if it comes down to this area, then we close the trade in loss. So we are still holding. Let's see what this is going to do in few minutes. The market is moving again. Market is moving. Let's hold. So gold is a bit slow this morning. I don't know why, but we are still holding it. Okay. Gold has taken more than 10 minutes from us now. I don't want us to close this trade because I see a good potential of this market getting, in fact, going above this area. All right. Um, but we're just going to give it some more time. So if it doesn't give us what we want, we don't have any choice than to close and look for another opportunity. Okay. Okay. So it's moving again. Let's see if this movement is going to get to our TP. So if it does get to our TP, we close the trade. We look for another setup. We are still holding. So if by the end of this candle we don't see any major movement, we're just gonna close trade. Okay, but at least we didn't lose the trade. Okay, but I don't like a sluggish trade. Okay, trade that won't decide where it's gonna be heading to. So so like I said, if it comes below this area, we close in little loss. This is the area here. Yes. So if the market goes below there, we close with a small loss. All right. So we are still holding, guys. We are still holding. As I've said, I'm not going to go against our the rules, right? So if it closes below, we close the trade. But if it goes up, then we take profit here. still holding. We are still waiting for gold to give us the perfect entry, the perfect profit rather. So this current candle is remaining just few seconds. Let's see how the candle is going to end. Okay. So if the candle ends looking this way, I think we should close the trade, right? So let's just close with that small tiny loss. Then let's look for another entry. Okay, guys, let's close this. All right. So please close. Let's look for another setup. Okay. So gold broke our heart. Didn't go as planned. I was hoping we made good profit there. Gold is very volatile. If it's going to give you profit, it's going to give you a very good one. So, but no worries. I'm sure nobody lose too much, okay? Because this is where we took the trade from. Let's go back to 5 minutes. Okay, this is where we took the trade from when this was making a retracement around here. So if we close the trade around here with 0.01, then you lose just few cents. Okay, so I always make sure to make sure that what if the trade is going to be a losing trade, you're not going to lose too much. All right. So that is how to be a profitable trader. Okay. So guys, give me a moment. Let me quickly analyze this. Let me see if this is something that I can give to my premium members. Okay. Had the analysis done previously, but didn't take the trade. And right now, it's a service respecting my analysis. See how the market just came down. Okay. Okay. Let's go check the lower time frame. See if we are going to be able to get an entry here. Okay. Okay. So this is NZD and this is the 5 minutes time frame. So let me go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we got a crossing. So once we get a cross, we are going to place a buy. Right? Okay, let's wait for a cross on the 5 minutes time frame. 3 minutes time frame rather. So let's look for more. Let's look for more aside this. We'll come back to check this. Okay, this is playing out already. Let's just wait here. Okay, let's wait a bit. Let's wait and see if this is going to give us what we wanted. It goes below here, comes invalid. Okay. So since this is already making a move, let's just stay on it. Let's stay on this. So let's give this a minute or two. Okay. So let's see if it's going to go above this. Once it does and give us that entry, we are going to take the entry and see what happens next because the market is currently on its own. Okay, so this is going to it already crossed, but it's going to come back to make a retest. Okay, so once we get the retest, we are going to take the entry. See how fast the movement is, but it didn't meet our criteria, so that is why we didn't enter it from that area. Okay, so I was waiting for a retest, but seems the market just decided to go up and keep going up. Okay. All right. So I think this is going to come to this area before it continues to go up. All right. So let's go check on another pair. Wow. Okay, guys, who want a trade different from scalping? Can give you this trade. I think I should drop this on the premium group. This is a beautiful trade, and I think my premium members should get this firsthand. If you want to get this trade, come and join the premium group. I'm going to be dropping it there. Okay, I'm going to be dropping this signal there. So if you want to enjoy this, join the premium group, guys. So let's look for another entry. Okay, so we have another good entry here. Let's just wait on this. If this closes above those moving averages, then we take a buy. This is GBPCHF. Okay, since we already got this on the 1 minute time frame, I think we should, take this opportunity here because right now we have a very limited time. Okay. So let this close above. Okay, give us uh, a confirmation before we take the trade. And we were waiting for, a sell, and we got another cross from here. So that means this market, is going to go down. So we don't have any confirmation to trade it. Okay. Okay. This is Pretty good. All right, guys. Go to GBP AUD. GBP AUD sell now. GBP AUD sell now. So we are going to stay on the 5 minutes time frame. We enter from here. Our stop loss is here, and our take profit is here. All right. So we are going to give this some minutes. If it goes against us, we close the trade. If it goes down, we close in profit. So let's just give this a little bit of time. All right. Okay. So the market is still moving. Let's wait a bit. Let's give it a little bit of time. So let's give this a little bit of time. Let's see how it's going to play out. All right. Okay. So let's wait. So let's give this a little bit more of time. The market is a bit sluggish this morning. Don't know why, but hopefully, um, it gets better before our afternoon live trading session. So we have zones here that this market is failing to break. Okay, we have zones here. See, we have so many zones, but we took this entry because of you know the, let me zoom on that. So as you can see, we have the moving average touching this candle. Okay. So the candle might go down. So if by the end of this candle it's giving us a green candle, then we are going to go out of the market. Okay. So just few minutes more to the end of this candle. And then as you can see, look at the movement from here. See, we got this, we got this, we got this long rejection. Okay, we got so many rejections here. And those signifies that the market is going to go down. Okay, guys. Um, so since we have all of this area here where the market, might come down to, I think we should close this trade and wait for afternoon session where we are going to get more opportunities. Okay, better opportunities. So both trade, we took a loss on both trade. Though this didn't get to our stop loss. All right. So if you are closing right now, it's almost at break even. So we are closing with this small loss. All right. Okay. So if you close now, you are breaking even. I'm just closing mine. All right. So I just closed mine, and let's wait for afternoon session to get better entries. All right. So right now the market is not stable here. I'm not sure if this is going to break this zone. Okay. So I'm making decision based on what I saw earlier, all of these areas. But look at this, we still have a zone here that the market might come down to. All right. So by afternoon session, all of this might have cleared out. So we might get a better entry by then. All right. And guys, remember we have our Telegram question and answer coming up by 11:30. That is in less than 30 minutes from now. All right. So guys, let's gather there. Okay. Let's talk to each other one on one. So guys, I'll see you there. Bye.